during the day, our cells are in what we call a more catabolic state. And this is when the body is better at creating energy and keeping us going all day. It also helps the body break tissues down so that they can be rebuilt and repaired and be renewed. Now at night, we're supposed to move into what we call an anabolic state, where the cells are better at rebuilding and repairing, and our body is better at sleeping and resting so that it can recover. The problem is, some people will get stuck too far in one state most of the time. So if someone is stuck too far in this catabolic state most of the time, we see health issues like insomnia, poor hair and skin health. We see issues like type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance and blood sugar control problems and weight gain and high cholesterol and triglycerides. And we see a lot of these issues because in this catabolic state, insulin appears to be less effective. And then the body has to make more insulin to process the same amount of carbohydrates, and the person will start leaning in this insulin resistant state. So when the body has to make all this insulin, it creates all this inflammation, it raises our cholesterol, and the high insulin also causes us to gain weight. So that's why we see a lot of these issues when someone is very deep into this catabolic state most of the time. So the way ACV can benefit this issue is that vinegar is pro-anabolic for most people. That means it's going to help push someone out of this catabolic imbalance and help their body move into that anabolic state at night so the body can repair and rebuild the way that it's supposed to. Some people are leaning too far on the anabolic side. And an anabolic imbalance can create a wide variety of health issues just like the catabolic side can. On a severe anabolic state, we see people dealing with issues like anxiety, depression, constipation. And keep in mind that if constipation is caused by a lack of stomach acid, then improving stomach acidity with ACV may improve constipation. But a lot of people experience constipation because this severe anabolic imbalance can cause the body to send too much water to the kidneys and not enough to the bowels, and then the stool becomes dry and hard. In this anabolic state, we also see issues like a lot of people believe hard tumors live in this anabolic state. So if someone's already pushed too far in an anabolic state, do we really want to take something that's going to magnify that problem? So you can see there's a wide variety of health issues that ACV can improve, but there's also a wide variety of health issues that for some people, ACV can make much worse.